Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to look at mini brands fill the fridge. I still have my saw, courtesy of my brother, but this time I decided to put a plaster on it. Let's start with the fridge, because I've been waiting too long. Just noticed that at the back, there's a chance that we can get the entire series with all of these kitchen appliances. This looks like a dishwasher. I really want that one. And the stove. Also, this is a UV light. That took forever. But now we have our little fridge. Does it come with batteries? Or does it not have any yet? Let's see. Whoa, the light's on! Oh! Cool. There's a lot of stuff going on here. There's 4 drawers in the bottom, 2 big ones and 2 small ones. So I guess this is the freezer. And it looks like we're gonna be able to unbox 4 shelves? Ooh. Ooh, I see something for eggs. These look like all of the side compartments and the shelves. Give me a minute to put everything in. This fridge is kind of retro looking, and I want everyone to remember that retro fridges like Smeg are usually a little bit smaller or on the shorter side. Plus, I really like the color. It goes with my kitchen island. But to make it slightly more comfortable for my dolls to get the food out, I made this mini base. While my hot glue gun heats up, let's continue. We have a little can of Olipop, a strawberry and vanilla soda. It's a pink little can with what looks like the brand logo on the side. Wait, what is this? Yeah, what looks like the brand logo here. And just a bunch of completely too tiny to read information. It has metallic top and bottom, and it stands on its own. This is it compared to a doll. Next in here we have a little ice scoop. And I have my ice right here. This will be perfect in the fridge. Wait, there's something else. And please be what I think it is. Yes, it's the magnet! I really want to see if the fridge really is magnetic, because I just love that idea so much. Okay, fridge is back in the building with its little magnet, and it works! I love this. This is officially my favorite thing that has ever been brought into the mini house. And I can make my own magnets! Last baggie. There's a bag inside a bag. Wow, this is small. What's the point of this? Feels a bit wasteful. We have our Jello mold. And it works like a real one too. It's all squishy. Pretty sure it's made out of silicone. We have a lid for what should be a stand. Is there one in here? Oh, nope. resin. No stand. But we do have these cute little tongues. I think I can see the plate in the smaller bag, so let's open that next. Yep. Just gonna take the lid. Oh no. Where'd it go? And orange slices. Which we're not using. We're gonna leave them like this because they're adorable. And I love oranges. I was only able to get my hands on 2 mini brands, mini fill the fridge. I do realize that this isn't enough to fill the fridge, but I do have some of my own stuff waiting, so let's open these. Ooh, I see lemon-colored bags. I really love this color. I don't know why. It's so pretty and so happy and so cute. Another mini fridge magnet. Let's take a look at the collector's guide. What? There's ice! Icy icicles. I love that. We have this. Ooh, some eggs and whatever this is. It looks like honey cake. Ooh, I want one of these little drinks. Oh, and then we have, I think... Ooh, pizza. I want all the fridge magnets. I'm sorry, I want all of them. I love magnets. Is that SpongeBob? Oh no, it's just a random painting. I thought that was the start of SpongeBob. Whoa, go back up. Is that a fruit tray? I want fruit tray. We have 6 items, and let's open the first. I'm gonna start with yellow, because I feel a sense of good luck coming from the yellow ones. Is that soy sauce? This is super cool, and this will go super well with noodles. Actually, let's clean up this table. Second bag. Why is this thing so flat? I can't even open it up. My favorite bacon! Actually, wait, I don't know who Applewood is. Never mind. I love me some bacon, though. Oh, I love bacon. It's actually a piece of molded plastic wrapped in card and wrapped in more plastic, but hey! It's bacon. You know what? Let's quickly pause and make the jello so that we can continue. Carefully put this in the fridge. That was a struggle. Next one! And it looks like a pizza. I love me pizza. I knew yellow was lucky. I knew it. I can't open it. Give me a moment. It's a piece of pizza, but someone stole a slice. With triangular pepperoni? What on earth? Whatever. Someone stole a slice of my pizza. I'm mad at them. But this is beautiful. Next one, and it has yellow inside, which means it's lucky. It's purple. It's extra lucky. No! Well, we get what we get, and we don't get upset. If they've got something to buy from the shops, I'm happy. This is the little box compared to my doll. I'm just gonna put everything near her for comparison. There we go. Next. Ooh, what is... Ooh, lamb chops. I do like me my meat. And these are really detailed. The final little bag looks like water. So I'm pretty sure it is. Yes! 'Tis bottled water. That is literally what's written on the front. What brand is this? There is no brand. It's just bottled water. With a really cool cap. Next ball! And... oh no! And our third victim is... eggs on toast. Let's start opening. This time I'm gonna start with the green ones. Because I started with yellow last time. We got... oh! Kombucha! My dad loves this stuff. My mom doesn't. And it's around the same size as our Olipop can. We have another very extremely flat something. It's fish! You know who's gonna love this? Fish. I am way too happy right now. Let's put him somewhere with his prized possession. Yes, the table. He's totally not gonna get in trouble for this later. Next, we have another thing for the cat. Fresh milk. You know what? No wonder he's so chunky. Here you go, little guy. Next are the yellow bags. Oh no. More Pizza Hut! What do we have here? I told you that yellow was lucky. I knew it all along. Only problem is Pizza Hut for some reason doesn't want you to be able to open this stuff. I'll be back. Ooh, chicken legs. And they're covered in sauce. Yummy. I can't lie, it kind of looks like just a bunch of pieces of clay slopped together and covered in paint. But I guess that's what it looks like in real life too, so... Ooh, patties. Some sort of foam on the inside. But hey, a patty is a patty. And it's fun to squish. 2 in a day, how lucky. Yep, I called it, and it's classic grape. I love these little cans, probably because of the colors, but I want one in real life. Now, let's start filling the fridge. Our jelly is fully cured. Let's switch to the normal light. Just like in my real fridge, I want fruits and vegetables to be in this little compartment here. So there we go. Now to add my own things. 1, a 2, a 3. Ta-da! Now we have a full fridge with magnets. And the freezer is full as well, completed with ice cream, ice, and our little scooping thing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Shoutouts for today go to... Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Bye!
これは青がかったのに今は灰色のグラデーション心は曇りのちらつき君との距離を探している